Okay.
Under.
We have here 3 activities. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know how to count?
Yes.
Do you know how to count?
Yes.
Do you know how to count?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's all count 1, 2, 10. Let's go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have here 3 activities. Okay. 2, and then 3. Oh, wait lang po. Wait lang. First, we will connect. Okay? We will connect the objects to the numbers. Next is we will count the objects. And then the last one is this one. You will write the number. Okay? Wait lang muna. This is for
Rory.
no. That's for the people. For 30. That's for 30. Next. For Rory. Okay. Get pencil. Go. Let's count the flowers first. Let's count the flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Count. Count, Rory. 1. Go. You connect it to number 4. Count it, Juliana. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You connect it to number 4. Where's number 4? 4. Connect. 4. Where's number 4 here? Yan. Connect mo. Connect. Connect to number 4. Connect to number 4. Go.
That's none.
That's how many?
How many none?
If there's none, it's 0. Next, count this one. Count.
How many Rory? How many Rory? 1. Is this Rory? Is ito?
Isipin ni Rory. Si Rory yung mag-answer. Hindi si teacher.
Done. 1.
Huh?
Is this one Rory? Done.
Go na. Rory. Oh, how many is that? How many? How many is this?
None.
0. Find mo 0.
How many this? None.
Yun. Correct si Juliana. None. 0. Go. Connect mo sa 0. Write your name, Pepito. 30. Write your name.
Name niya.
Oh, next. This one. Count this one.
Name number 0.
Check natin.
Can I have an eraser?
Wait lang. Is this 5?
No.
Oh, wrong na. How about this one?
Yes. Check.
Erase natin. Erase.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ay, nakapagod na. 9,
Go.
10.
One. 2.
Write your name, Rory. Rory, write your name. This one's your erase, girl. Good job. High five. Good job. Okay. Well, here. For Rory, for 30, and for Juliana. Get one. Got one pencil again. Go. Rory. Hey. This is the eraser, okay? Count the objects and find the correct answer. You will circle the correct answer. Number 1, how many dolls? Count. 1. Circle number Is it 0? Go. Where's number 4? Yeah, circle mo, circle. Is this 0? Rory, is this 0?
No?
Oh, what's the correct answer?
What happened?
Why did you circle 0? You answer, go, come on. Juliana, next, how many you? How many dogs, Rory? Next, how many robots? Rory, ikaw yung hindi nag-answer today. Just me. So, how many dogs? Can you count now? Write down your answer. You circle the correct answer. How many robots? Okay, go.
5.
Next, how many birds are there? How many birds?
Is it red?
You circle. Rory, circle naman. Next, how many yo-yo?
How 3? It's red. This is my boy. Oh, it's red.
Go count. 1.
What about you, Rory? Are you done with your R?
Yes.
Asaan? Give it to me.
Yes.
Asan? Wala namang laman. Wala si Rory. Go, go, go! Lord Lawrence, come on, some more. What's this? That's Q is for Queen. What's this? Apple inside? Is apple inside? A is for apple. Very good. What's this? Anong heyo? Oh, what's this? Q is a queen. Alright, good job, Lawrence. How about you? This one, are you done? E is for elephant. Oh, galing! Good job, Elle. Good job, Juliana. Go. What's this? Ha, ha, ha! Bakit hindi mo alam yung nandun sa loob? Walang nasa loob. V is for van. Tignan natin all the blue. All the blue. All the blue. What's inside? It's a van. Very good. Rory! Allah, si Rory. Pasaway, wala pang tinatrabaho. What's inside?
R is for?
What is inside? What is inside?
It's a robot.
Thank you. What's inside? Very good. Rory! Lord Lawrence, what are you doing?
What's a thing?
Letter G. Oh, what's letter B? What's inside B? How about you? How about you? What's inside, Juliana? Star. Very good.
Robot
What's inside, Juliana? Dinosaur. Very good. Okay, what's inside? Grasshopper. You help each other. How about you? Find what's inside. No, share. Share kayo, share. Share.
Luis, let's go.
What? Koala. Koala. K is for koala. This one. P is for pig. Y is for yo-yo. Y is yo-yo. Oh. Put inside. Ikaw. Find the frog. Find the frog. Okay, we put it here. Asan na yung close yan? Did you close it? Asan na? Asan na? Lord Lawrence. Ay, nako. Ay, palo na, palo. Inay, palo. Fix it. Come on.
Here tayo. Luisito.
Nasaan na kasi?
Luisito.
Akala ko may gawa to. Si Lord Lawrence.
Lord.
Ang gulo-gulo na nung carpet. Asan na, Lord?
Pick up, Lord. Pick up. Hanapin natin.
Last one. What's that? Is a train. Okay. Oh, high five kayong lahat. High five. Very good. Thank you. Okay, let's make faces.
Yes.
Say make faces.
Yes.
Oh, let's do this. Yeah, it's a pineapple. Let's make faces. Pineapple faces. I'm gonna give you one chance to make a face.
About
Wait. Okay, you're gonna have a one chance to put the eyes, to put the nose, you put the mouth, and you put the hand. Okay? Wait. I'm gonna give you a chance to put two eyes, one mouth, eyebrow, and the hand. Okay, wait for your turn. All the red. Okay, get all the red and red. Okay, get all the red. Lahat ng red. Get all the red. Very good. All the red. Yes, get all the red.
ice cream.
Get all the red. Get all the red. Get all the red. Thank you. Okay, next, Florence. Get all the orange.
Get all the blue. See?
Not yet. Acorn muna. Acorn.
What color?
Stop.
X, letter X. Letter X.
Orange. Okay, next. Get all the orange, Lord Lawrence. Orange. Very good. Okay, next. Ikaw naman, green. Get all the green. Lord, ito muna. Acorn muna. Get all the green.
The bear.
Green. Okay, get all the green. Okay, find the answers to your problem. Okay, ready? Match. For example, O is for octopus. Find your octopus. Ikaw, Z is for zebra. Find your zebra. W is for whale. Find your whale. What's this? Octopus? Are you sure? Very good. Go. What's that? Zebra? Very good. Okay.
Ay, talaga.
This one. Okay, and then the hand.
What's next? What's next? Oh.
Looks like Lawrence. This is Lawrence. Okay, now it's Rory's turn.
Yes.
We're not gonna eat pineapple. You're gonna make a face. Oh, go, make a face. Ay, nako. Not you, look. Wait lang. Oh. Your turn. Go make a face.
I have.
Go make a face.
What put eyes?
Okay, put some eyes. Yes. Yan, yung mouth, yung teeth niya, like teeth. Okay. Eyebrow. That's too big. No. Correct! Galing ah. Oh, next. We only have 2 more. It's a shark and a whale. Okay. Lord, I want you to get whale. Lord, I want you to get the whale. Whale. Lord, get the whale. Shh. Hi. Lord! Ano ba yan? Hindi nakikinig. Get the whale. Whale. Wrong! It's a shark! Yan ang whale. Okay, get the shark.
Shark. What happened?
Okay, you got it. Focus na kasi. 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 for you. Oh, open! Woo!
Sun.
Si Juliana lang ang very good. Si Lord at saka si Rory. Not so very good.
Si Rory Peach, pasawayan si Rory today.
Ay, nako. Put here, Rory. Hindi na siya uuwi. Rory will not go home. You don't want to go home?
No.
We will buy new Rory na.
You will buy new Rory in
How many
CSI.
Rory?
5,000. Focus! I don't want like that na, ha? Hey, Lawrence, what's that? Are you done? Alright. What's inside?
It's an egg.
It's a nest with an egg. Okay. Put here na. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Stop rocking.
Look at what the color. What is this?
It's a toy.
R.
It's the robot Rory.
It's a star.
Rory is a robot.
Yes.
Are you a robot? Put it here now. One for you, 1 for you, 1 for you.
A fan. Big, 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 big.
Hey. What did I tell you about talking? Not too loud. No shouting. Where did you put the van? Allah. Ouchie ang voice mo if you're shouting. Do not shout. Just talk like this. Put here. Close. Put here, Juliana. Wait, Rory. Okay, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you.
Okay.
One for you. Y and Z. One for you.
Okay, put here.
A yo-yo.
Okay,
A yo-yo.
okay. Put it here na. Open, put here. And then put here, you close. ba yan? Okay. One for you, one for you, one for you. Ready, get set, go. So, ay, naku, si Rory. Paluin ko na eh, ha?
No.
Not concentrating on the task, ha? Palo na si Rory.
No. No balot si Rory.
You focus, para hindi magalit si teacher. Okay, good. May pinapagawa sa'yo kung ano-anong ginagawa mo. Put here! Put here!
Here.
No. Palo si Rory na.
No.
Ulit eh. Move forward. Focus. Papalo kita. Sige ka. One for you, one for you, one for you. Okay, ready? Shoes. Shoes. Put some eyes. Eyes. Over here. Meron siyang eyebrow. Eyebrow. Put some eyebrow. Eyebrow. Okay, that's a mouth. You're sad? You're sad? Oh, sad. Okay, happy. Put some eyebrow. Eyebrow. Sit down. Eyebrow. No, no, no. Small lang. Ito lang yung eyebrow. Eyebrow. And then the, wait. And then the hand. Okay. Peekaboo. One more. And peekaboo. Okay. Thank you, Juliana. I'm happy. Say happy. Okay. Next, your turn. Okay. You do a sad face.
Your turn.
Oh, si
sorry.
Lawrence. Oh, Lawrence turn. You do a sad face. Rory, what's this? What's inside?
Hippopotamus.
Anong hippopotamus? It's a hippopotamus. Okay, sige na nga. Oh, what's inside, Lord? What's inside?
It's a boat.
Okay, thank you.
It's a boat.
Okay, got it. Very good. More, Lawrence.
See?
What's inside? N is for nest. Oh. This is star. N is for nest. Nest. That's a nest.
Wait.
Oh, what's that?
See?
Oh, G is for... What's that? What's the last one?
Grasshopper.
Okay, go. Put the grasshopper. More, Rory.
Happy face.
Happy face. This is my happy face.
There.
This. Get a sea lion.
You
Wow.
done?
2. Do not look. 3. Get a sea lion. No, not there. 4. Wrong! Ay na, lagot ka. Okay, next. Get a shark.
Yes.
Go get a shark.
Where's shark?
Oh, you have to find there. Where's the shark? Wow! You got it! Okay, get a shark.
Did you?
Yes! No, this is a whale. Sorry. Get a shark.
Triangle down.
No, it's a whale. Okay, next. Get a shark. Get a shark. Get a shark. Get a shark. Oh, it's a sea lion. Wrong. Okay, get one turtle. Do not look. Get one turtle by not looking. Get the turtle. Wrong! Fine, sit down. Find the turtle. Turtle. Wrong! Get one turtle. Wrong again! Sorry. Last chance na yun. Pangatlo. Get a turtle.
Where's turtle?
Oh, you have to find by feeling it. Get a turtle.
A toda?
You got it! Good job! Okay, next. Get a turtle. Very good! Okay, wala ka ng turtle. Get a sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lion. Wrong! It's a shark! Get a sea lion. Wrong! It's a shark again. Get a sea lion. Yes, you get the sea lion. Go. Okay, go. Loko ka lang ng picture. Big eyes.
Oh, no. No.
Daming mata ni picture. Sure, iba sa akin. Okay, eyes.
Now. Mouth. No. Oh, this way.
Doon na, hindi nakashow.
You like sad face?
Arrow.
Ay, gusto mo na happy face. Okay.
Stop it.
Sabay kayo.
Sa eyebrow.
Stop it.
Put here on the other side. Perfectionist.
Hindi pa siya tapos, oh.
Sit down, sit down. Okay. Are you happy?
Yes.
I'm happy. Very good. Okay, teacher. Do not look. Get one lang. What's that?
Is that sea lion?
Okay, get one sea animal. Okay, I want you to get octopus.
The octopus.
Get one octopus.
Yes.
No, it's okay. Get one octopus. Find the octopus. Very good! Good job. Okay, next.
My octopus. Stop it. My octopus.
Okay, good.
My octopus.
You get your octopus. Saan mo nilagay? Rory, touch octopus. Touch. What's that? Octopus. What's this? Octopus. It's the octopus. Okay. Yeah.
Go.
Okay. And another octopus. Okay, another octopus. Next, this is a turtle. Touch the turtle. Touch the turtle.
It's not a toda.
Touch the turtle, Juliana. Is that? A turtle. Touch the turtle, Rory. Touch the turtle, Rory.
Store.
It's a turtle. Okay, next. This is the whale. Whale. It's a whale. Touch the whale, Lord. Touch the whale. Touch the whale, Lord. Touch mo yung whale. Touch mo yung whale. Touch whale. It's a whale. Okay, let's put the whale here. Position. Okay, last one. It's a sea lion. This is a sea lion. Hindi mo muna itatouch. Where's the sea lion? The sea lion, okay? That's a sea lion. Okay, next. Oh, you gotta put it inside. Okay, put inside.
Okay, go.
Put inside. Lord.
Go.
Okay. Almost done too. Are you done, Rory? Lawrence? Wow! One more. May blue pa. Oh no, the blue.
Somebody.
Kasi. Go. Yeah! Color. Green. Okay. color? Red again. Get a handkerchief. Color? Purple. Get a handkerchief. Color? More, Juliana. Get a handkerchief. Color? Blue. Ikaw naman, Lord. Wait lang, Lord. Rory. Get a handkerchief. Dalawa. Pink and blue. Oh, blue. You got blue. Get a handkerchief. Color? Yellow.
Yes!
Get a handkerchief. Color? Pink. Get a handkerchief. No more? Oh, no more handkerchief. Say no more. No more. Get a shape. What's that? Circle. Oh, get a shape. Get a shape. Get a shape. You get a shape, Rory. You get a shape. Merong shape dyan. Pag-iwala. Oh, what's that? It's a triangle. Get a shape. It's a square. Alright. See? Go. Wow. Almost done si Lord Lawrence.
Frutas. Corn, apples, and grapes.
Wow. Very good din si Rory. Almost done si Rory. Yellow, green na lang.
Oh no.
Oh no, what happened to your blue? It's going out. Push. Have to push.
Baliktad.
Oh no, you have to push.
Dyan sabi.
Push also.
Like share.
Ayaw.
Also.
Pusa.
Oh.
Table.
Help me.
You're doing great, Lord. Wow, almost done with the yellow, si Lord. Very good ka, very good. Go, 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 Lord. Put the blue in the blue. Put the yellow in the yellow. Very good, Rory. Galing. Galing ni Rory, ah. Ang galing ni Rory. Okay. I want you to tell me what goes together. Okay?
Remove.
Yeah, remove natin. Find what goes together. Ready, get, set, go. Okay, picture. Ang kalat. Actually, yung center na to, napakadaming konti na. Numbers. Hi, bakit mo kinuha yung hippo? Find the nest. Find the whale. Find the hippo. Ready, go. Uy, trabaho ka. Hippo. Hindi, whale sa'yo. Ala ka. Ha. Ito sa'yo. Work. Find the dinosaur. Okay, go. Okay? Robot. Ikaw, ano yan sa'yo? Mittens. Ito, mittens. Hindi niya alam. Oh. Put here.
What? The missing.
Ito, mittens.
So.
Okay, ready? Next. Purple. Find the koala. Find the pig. Find the frog. 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 Ikaw sa'yo, pig. Fine. Frog. Rojun. Rojun. Very good, Jerwin. Put here. No. Put here. Shh. Next. S is for star. B is for boat. Rory. Rory, B. Put here, B. Ay, ako si Rory. Ang papatagal. Rory, B. Ulit, oh. Oh! Nagbabounce naman. Give me that.
Thank you.
Ulit. Bakit ka tumatawa? Nakakalokong tawa mo, ha? Rory, ha? Oh, go. Here. Very good.
Robot Rory?
Robot ka ba?
Yes.
I think you're a robot. You
Yes.
sound like a robot.
Musin.
Are you a robot?
Yes.
Close it.
Ibigay ko yung tinapay.
Ang galing.
Nakaputo.
B, hindi dyan. Yung blue.
Hindi tayo.
Look, ay ito yung dyan.
Lagot ka. May pangalan na pala. Okay, one for you, one for
Uwi ka na
you,
rin, teacher.
one
Or
for
four
you.
ka.
Okay, pakawin na natin.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Ay, bye, teacher. Ingat.
Akala ko ba wala?
Pakawin, guys. Pakawin na natin to. Rory, pack it away so we can play with another new toy. Finish your work. Finish your eating.
Wait lang.
True. Kaya nga.
Hindi din effective yung sinabi mo. Basta lang po.
Okay, bye-bye. Hello. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to put some play with acorn, okay? Okay, what are we going to do? We're gonna play with acorn.
Acorn.
Yes, this is the acorn. I'm gonna give each one of you an acorn. Okay? Oh, this is the acorn. I'm gonna give acorn. Wait lang. You're gonna open. You're gonna put the small object here in the small basin. Close it and then put it here. Alright?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, wait lang, Rajon. I'm gonna give you. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. One for you, and one for you. Ready, get, set, go. Okay, you put it here. Then you close. Close. You just put close, 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 and then you put here. Very good. Do not open. I'm just gonna give you. Wait. Ang likot na kamay pa. Okay, ready? Wait lang. I'm gonna give each one of you. Okay, one for you, and one for you. Ready, get, set, go. Put here. Put here. Close. Close the acorn. Okay, put here. Very good. Put here, Jerwin. Rajun, good job. Okay, quiet hands. Wait lang. I'm gonna give you quiet hands. Okay. I did not tell you to get down. Oh, you put here. You did not open. Oh, I need to. Okay, one for you, and one for you. Close. Natatawa ka, Rory, ah. Hey, close! Ganyan ka rin dati, Rory. You put here. Oh, close. Put here na. Thank you so much. Okay, high five. High five kayo. High five. Yan. High five. Rojo, sit down. Hindi pa tapos. E is for pig. Ito ah. Ito si Rojun. Ate Sil. Sabihan mo yung tungkol kay Arena. Next. G is for grasshopper. M is for mitten.
Diba nahihiya lang ang hinimang din, ha? Katulad ni Ray, nagbubulungan sila ni Mami Ate.
Ano talaga? Next. So, ano nangyari kung may hindi ulit?
Tumatawa lang sa akin. Siguro, mag-detection.
Oh, so I need to photocopy. I-ready mo. Dadaling ko today. Next. Put in the letter L for leaves. L. Ito L. Okay. Put in the letter E for elephant. Very good.
Kaya, tiklat ko.
Put in the letter J for jar. Very good. Hi, Rajun. Put in the letter N for nest. Put in the letter Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Put in the letter V for van. Hindi ikaw. Okay, good. Put in the letter Z for zebra. Ito! Put in the letter C for car. Stop it. Hindi na siya nga nag-work eh. Rojon. Ganda naman yan, Rory. Ganda naman yan, Jervin. Nice work. Good job.
Yes.
High five. Galing. What did you do? Ayan, very good.
What?
Give me that. What's that? Mouse and a hole. Thank you. More, more, more. Hey! What goes together? Ha? Kinalat nila? Ano ba yan? Wala.
Hunted sa niya magkasamang pera niya. 150 yung magkasamang pera niya magkadikit.
Go, Faye.
Orange.
Put in. Ang galing niya. Hala, nangyari sa fine motors mo, Sherwin. Ganyan ka pa mag-color. Ah, very good. Makikita mo yung difference, ate si Rojun, oh.
Green.
Gandahan mo naman, Rory.
Rock.
Saan kita? Not yet done.
Blue.
Not yet done. Ay.
Purple. You like rainbow?
Tandahan mo, Rory. Hindi ko nakikita yung colors mo. Why don't you have colors? Where's your orange? Where's your yellow? I cannot find it.
Now it's Richard's.
Nice work, Shervin. Hindi pa tapos, Rojon. Nagdidiri siya sa tubig. Ganda. Lang. Okay, ready? One for you, and one for you. Open, please. Okay, Rajun. Okay, put here.
Meow, meow,
Oy,
meow.
put here. Hindi. Jervin. Put here. You're gonna control yourself. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. One for you, and one for you. Ready?
Why is this? It's up.
Oh, you put here, put
Why is
here.
this? It's up.
Well, I don't know what's that. K is for?
Wala.
Wala. Why are you getting what is not yours? Ala, si Jerwin. Wait lang, Rojon. Wait. Ang mga impulsivity. Okay. Next. One for you, and one for you. Okay. Now, open. Grabe ang init. Kasi ngayon ko naramdaman yung init. Oh, close. Put here. Close. Huwag mo nang i-open. You're done with that. Hala, si Jerwin. Ang